Imagine turning your waste plastic bottles into vibrant, custom-colored 3D printing filament, all from the comfort of your home. Meet the PETFusion 2.0, the revolutionary all-in-one machine that transforms PET bottles into high-quality filament effortlessly. Building on the incredible success of its predecessor, the PETFusion, the 2.0 version is twice as efficient, faster, and more reliable. It's designed to be easier to assemble, cheaper to make, and compact enough to carry anywhere you go. With PETFusion 2.0, turning waste into creativity has never been this simple or exciting. What makes it better? PETFusion 2.0 separates the cutting and extrusion processes, making filament production faster and more streamlined. The extrusion, pulling, and bottle cutter are powered by a single-gear DC motor, keeping the machine compact, cost-effective, and incredibly easy to use. And the real breakthrough? The Filament Welder. Since PET bottle filaments aren't long enough from a single bottle, you can now seamlessly weld multiple filaments together into continuous spools. Plus, it's not just for PET. You can weld filaments like PLA, ABS, PETG, and even nylon. So this is how it works. Start by cleaning your PET bottle thoroughly and cutting off the bottom. Then cut a small strip using scissors. Insert the bottle into the motorized cutter. The cutter offers multiple cutting size options. Choose one based on the bottle's wall thickness. Pull the strip through the cutter to the spool, where you can secure it in the filament holder. Hold it in place and start the motor to automatically cut the bottle into uniform strips. PETFusion 2.0 also comes with an essential tools holder, so you can store a small to medium-sized pair of scissors, 3 and 5 millimeters of Allen keys conveniently. Once your strips are ready, feed them into the dual hot ends. That's right, PETFusion 2.0 can process 2 strips simultaneously, doubling your production speed. Want to add a pop of color to your filament? Just place a cotton pad soaked with the ink color of your choice into the colorizer, and let PETFusion 2.0 handle the rest. The result? Vibrant, customized filament that's ready to use. Once the filament is made, welding it is effortless. Simply place the filament ends onto the volcano hot end. When the tips are properly melted, insert them into the PTFE tube and hold them together for a few seconds. There you have it, seamlessly welded filaments that are ready to go. Now, load your filament into your 3D printer and let your creativity flow. Print anything from a pen holder to a print-in-place dragon or shark, an iPad stand, a beautiful knitted teddy, or even a practical print-in-place storage organizer. The possibilities are endless. So, what are you waiting for? Transform your waste plastic bottles into 3D printing filament with PETFusion 2.0, your complete PET bottle-to-filament manufacturing solution. Don't miss the chance to revolutionize your 3D printing and join the recycling revolution.